Hi Pete, here's a quick look at your clocks now the conversion is complete. Obviously I fixed the fault so they actually work. They were dead when I got them other than backlighting. If I power them on, they do the sweep, and then as you select gears you get the indication of each gear: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and if the run stop switch is enabled you get a warning. You can select that to one of different warnings. It remembers what you set, so you don't have to keep setting it. I'll leave it on that one. And whilst you're in gear, if that's a bit too bright for you at night, again you can dim it to one of 5 different levels. I'll leave it on that one, that's actually the brightest. And I'll just give it some speed and RPM. Let's give it 80 mile an hour and 8,000 revs. So that's all working, and obviously the time's working. If I go onto the trip counter, I'll go on the second one and then I'll reset that. Yep, so anyway, I'll aim to get them back in the post to you tomorrow, so you should get them Tuesday.